Morning guys, and welcome to another vlog. Excuse the state of me, that's why I'm recording like this, because I look so bad right now. Because I just had a shower and I am going to Portugal today with my sisters for a week. So me, Rachel, Jordan, and Abigail, we're all going to Portugal and we are all very excited. And I'm just out of the shower, so I look really bad right now. All my sisters are tanned and I'm not, because I'm gonna let myself naturally tan. Always wear sun cream though. But yeah, I'm really excited. I have nearly everything packed, which I know it was like I'm leaving in a few hours, but I don't have everything packed in my suitcase yet. So I'm gonna finish off that now, but I need to dry my hair, moisturize. Then I need to get dressed. Then I need to try to find a space for my book, because I'm bringing a book, but I don't know where to put it. And my suitcase is packed already, so yeah, I need to sort that out now. So this is my suitcase. These stuff on top actually aren't going in here. I just threw them on top, but it is all like packed underneath there. It looks messy now, but it is all tidy. So I need to finish off packing that, find somewhere for this book to go. I'm about to start reading this book on the trip and I hope it's good, because like I'm not going to bring any other book, so I hope it's good. Anyway, yeah, I need to finish packing this and I need to sort myself out. Off we go.
Can you bring that through?
Yeah, just empty it. Hey Rachel, why aren't you vlogging? Elevator party.
Elevator party.
Got your security. Woohoo!
That looks wild. What's this thing?
Uber Eats.
No, not Uber Eats. What do you have to do here? Postmates. That's like Portuguese.
Ready for takeoff?
We advise you to keep your seatbelt fastened during the flight. Please be careful when opening the open.
Should we listen to So guys, we've arrived in our Airbnb and it was a lot of hassle to get here, but we're here now and it's grand and we're just getting all ready for bed. Yeah. Morning guys, it's the next day and we're about to get breakfast. Everyone is awake. We're in our kitchen. This is our kitchen.
Yeah.
And Rachel is in bed back there. Yeah, we're gonna have breakfast now. I'm gonna be so fancy with a little espresso. So guys, this is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this crop top with this cute bum bag and these shorts. And I'm ready to go. My face is covered in sun cream, by the way. So guys, this is our front door when you walk in. And then to the right over here you have our bathroom. It's small, but it's actually really nice. So yeah. Then we have our kitchen over here. It's a bit messy because we haven't cleaned. Then in this way, we have our living area and this pulls out into a bed and that's where me and Abigail are sleeping. We have a TV and Netflix and stuff and nice window things. Then this is the last room, the shutters, and there's Rachel.
I'm gonna take a picture while we're walking. Oh wait, no, you get. That's good.
I'm recording. I'll send this to Mommy and Daddy. Got our Uber to this kind of, well, a bit far away from the square. We'll just go and we're walking down in this pretty streets.
Yeah, no cars. It's very nice.
It's nice, yeah, because they close off the cars from on Sunday, so everyone can just walk.
The driver's really nice as well, and he dropped us in a good spot.
UTV.
I'm ready. I look at the cards. It's a vibe. Okay, phone. You might come back. You're up on you.
god, it's so bright I can't even see right now. Watching the weather, girls. So guys, we've arrived in the square in Lisbon and we're just going to walk around for a bit. And it's really warm and gorgeous and it's so nice and sunny. And we were just looking at some markets. So we're going to probably spend a while here. Gorge!
Sorry, I'm such a Rihanna. What? Is that tin? Tin fish. I'm just being sarcastic. Wait, welcome on your carry. Right.
We're finding out where Sephora is so we can go and get some bits. We're going to get Metro cards and we're going to a lift that's in the middle of the sky.
Oh. I thought you were in a bad mood, didn't want to.
Don't say that. Daily life of us.
Okay, should I take this?
Just photographs all the time. Oh, that's good. I always need to calculate that size.
Rachel, that's for you. You're smaller stuff here. Get these on to Abigail.
Abigail will need a big one for all her debt.
Because you're smaller. Siri.
So guys, we just went to the supermarket and got our bits for our dinner, which is probably going to be pasta and tomato sauce with chicken and bacon. And now we're just waiting on an Uber in the square. Bathroom. How's trip so far, Rachel? Great! Tonight we're going to make dinner, so we're going to do tomato and onions, peppers, garlic sauce with pasta, chicken and bacon. So currently I'm just cooking the onions and the garlic. And the girls are going to get some peppers and other food proceeds. So yeah. So guys, this is the sauce so far. Ew, it looks disgusting on camera.
It looks disgusting in real life too.
It doesn't look that bad. It's just tomato sauce, garlic, onion, bacon, chicken, and then our pasta. It's gonna be cooking soon. So this is our dinner. Gorge. We're just waiting for the girls. So guys, we're leaving to go to a tower now for the evening.
Sounds so stupid.
What was I supposed to say? That's what it is.
Leaving now to go to a tower for the evening.
Abigail. To watch the sunset. Ignore your face. So we just locked ourselves out of the apartment.
Locked into her place. Jordan, that does not make sense. Mommy doesn't unlock the door and then walk out of it and leave the keys behind.
We arrived at the tower. It's in the background, but we have the sea. We fell.
Get off it.
No one's coming.
Rachel, I can't.
Morning guys, today is another day and we are going to go to the beach today, so everyone is getting ready to go to the beach. Okay, I have some dogs on underneath this, so we're going to the beach and we're going on a train for like half an hour because it's like this kind of nicer beach, so we're going there. Not the zombie, you know, the creature things. Oh, Hunger Games, that's what I meant. Arrived at the seaside town of, what's it called, Jordan?
The beach?
Yeah, what's the seaside area place called? Cascas. And we're going to go to the beach now. The girls got an umbrella for us to put on the beach. But yeah, it's really nice. It's a bit windy, but it's still really warm, so it's good. They're taking forever.
Are you not paying Abby? Why?
So guys, we left the beach. I didn't record anything because I was in the water. It was too fun. Now we're going to get food. McDonald's first to go to the bathroom, and then we're going to get proper food in restaurants. gonna get this. I don't know, folks. This is our lunch. I got penne arrabbiata and Jordan got some prawn curry. So guys, I finished my food. It was actually really yum. Jordan, what did you think of your food?
Yeah, it was very nice.
She had prawn curry and yeah, it was actually, I think it was really good value as well. It was $8.50 for like the main course and Jordan got like loads of curry sauce and rice, so like, and you'll be really full, so it was good. Yeah, now we're gonna go meet the other girls and go to another beach. Woohoo! Guys, we're currently at the LX market. It's kind of boring to be honest. It's most artsy. Oh my god, my glasses are so crooked on my face.
That vintage shop is nice, but I'll tell her
the prices are like crazy. Like it was €79 for a denim jacket and it was €69 for this other jacket I was looking at. So the prices are a bit crazy, so obviously we're not going to buy anything. But we're just looking around. Oh, we'll just... I feel awkward. Yeah, I know. Ew, there's so many. Went to the grocery store and we got ourselves some pizza and garlic bread and Coke. And now we're going to go back to the apartment and probably have this later. I don't even know what we're doing for evening, do you?
Probably just relax at the apartment.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, everyone's tired from the beach, so that's what we're gonna do. Climbing up this giant hill. It doesn't look that big on camera, but it's really steep. Ugh. And it's roasting out. The sun is shining down on us, and we're carrying our groceries.
Dinner.
You love it how I move.